So let's start our vlog. And may you be happy forever. For me, pag-iyan.
So now we are at the Magong Railway Market. This is actually for the Umbrella Puja Market. So where you can watch a train, just you can get inside the local market there. The train is alive here in 11:10. 11:10.
11:10.
The train is half alive over here. Before 11:10, you can get inside the local market and find some area to standing beside a track. If you would like to standing, just be careful your personal stuff as well because inside also have 12 people. Alright, and on the way, you can see there are many vendors. They are just sell everything nearby at the floor, nearby a track. Yeah, so when you walk, just only the railway center, railway center. Just keep walking inside around 400 meters. It have some shopping store, it have some coffee shop, have some restaurant. So if you would like to take a rest, just walk to the last way 400 meters and walk back. On the last way, just maybe still not anymore. So you should be walk back or just walk at the railway left side. At the railway left hand side, you have some shopping store. You can shopping. You can buy something just nearby the railway structure. And the next one, when the trains come, it just slow down. It just slows slowly to get past the local market. Please be careful. Please be careful when the trains are moving. And the next one, the train is stop. The train will stop at here in 11:10. When the train stop, you can get inside to take a picture. And the train will departure and get back to the Bangkok at 11:30. 11:30, who have take a picture inside a train, please immediately get down. So 11:30, who still take a picture inside, we need to say goodbye and see you at Bangkok. All right. So please don't take a train to get back by yourself. Okay. And the next one about the this railway market, you can enjoy.
namin yung moment ng train coming and yung pag-pull down ng mga paninda, mga umbrellas dun sa loob. So guys, ito na siya. Malapit na ako sa market. Yeah, in Maeklong. So ang daming tao dito sa station. almost kasi dating ng train, lahat ng mga paninda na to, magtitiklupan yan. So, kaya pinupuntahan talaga to ng mga tourist. So, medyo at this time, 10 to 32. So, dadating yung train ng 11:10.
You want second way. Right? Left
You go,
hand.
you,
Yeah.
Nagkabalik ka naman yun. Okay, but take video also. Take video. To share. To share with your friends. These are dried ternate. That's blue pea or blue ternate. Sa live. Live grab. So many. You're on vlog now. Wet na to. These are wet market na to. So nasa wet market na tayo. Wala na tayo dun sa souvenir shop, souvenir stores. Okay? Yeah, how much? 75 per tusok. Oh. See guys, it's a frog. And it's talangka. And yun yung palaka. Daming paninda. Okay, so hindi na kami didiretso doon sa pinaka-doon. Ang laki ng ampalaya. Wala. What? Aubergine? What's that?
It's a talong.
Okay, we'll buy buko. Yes. That's so this will all okay, this is a vlog. Show you how I'm ready. They're getting ready. Exposed to what? He already pulled down his umbrella. Yeah. So the train is now coming. Yeah. So, ito na sila. Yeah, train is coming.